Welcome to our channel today. We are diving into how to fix a disabled Stripe account and get it reactivated quickly and smoothly. Welcome to our channel today. We are diving into how to fix a disabled Stripe account and get it reactivated quickly and smoothly. Having your Stripe account disabled can be stressful, but with the right approach, you can solve the issue and get back to processing payments without much delay. First step is to understand why the account was disabled. Stripe usually sends an email with details about the suspension, which could be due to suspicious activity policy violations or verification issues. Be sure to check your registered email carefully, including the spam folder. Next, gather all necessary information related to your account and business. This includes your business verification documents, tax identification number, bank details, and any correspondence you had with Stripe. Having these at hand will speed up the resolution process. Then visit the Stripe support page or directly log into your Stripe dashboard to find the notification about your disabled account. Usually there is a clear call to action or a link to appeal the suspension. Follow the instructions carefully and fill out any forms accurately. When submitting a request for review, clearly explain your situation, address any flagged issues, and provide supporting documents. Be honest and concise in your explanation to help Stripe quickly verify your legitimacy. After submitting your appeal, remain patient, as the review could take several days. During this waiting period, avoid making changes to your account details. If Stripe needs more information, they will contact you via email, so monitor your inbox regularly. In the meantime, prepare your business for contingencies in case the account remains suspended longer than expected. Consider alternate payment methods or temporary solutions to maintain cash flow. If you receive a response that requires further action, follow the instructions promptly to avoid delays. Sometimes Stripe requests additional verification or clarification. Complete these requests fully and return them as soon as possible. Once your appeal is approved, Stripe will notify you and your account will be reactivated. At this point, verify that all account settings and integrations are working correctly before resuming full operations. Remember to keep communication lines open and maintain compliance with Stripe's policies to prevent future issues. Managing your account proactively can save you time and stress. To recap, understand why the account was disabled, gather necessary documents, submit a clear appeal, wait for Stripe's review, and respond quickly to any follow-ups. Almost every Stripe account issue can be resolved by following these steps methodically and calmly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video if you found this guide helpful to stay updated with more useful tips and guides.